In this video, let's talk about how do Audi wheel spacers work on your A4.
Audi A4 wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket part. The high-quality Audi wheel spacers can help the A4 with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Audi A4 wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the A4. The lines of the A4 will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using all the A4 wheel spacers allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good Audi A4 wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Audi A4 wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. BONOSS Audi A4 wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forging makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties compared with industry standards. The cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will default and endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Audi A4 wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. The benefit of the lightweight plus design of BONOSS Audi wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional Audi wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption and improve handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance is better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.